การรับประทานอาหารว่างก่อนมื้อหลักหรือการดื่มเครื่องดื่มเรียกน้ำย่อยในบางวัฒนธรรมเป็นช่วงเวลาแห่งความสนุกสนานผู้คนได้มาพบปะสังสรรค์ดื่มขณะร่วมวงพูดคุยกันเพื่อกระตุ้นความอยากอาหาร
Alors today we're having the French board. The cheese and cold-cut usually in France we're having as a pre-dinner. Pre-dinner to work up your appetite. It's something you will start with that with a glass of apéritif or a glass of wine. It will be easier.
So I put the green cheese.
Yes. Why the grilled cheese? Because it's soft, and if we start by the Roquefort, it would be too strong. The softer to the stronger cheese.
So we start to eat from this.
Yes, from that side to go there. After we will have one mimolette. This one is a calicot. Calicot it's a goat cheese, sort of middle of France. And this one is a langue. Langue is done in Champagne. Normally this cheese you eat it with you pour a glass of champagne on top and you eat it like that. And we end with the Roquefort. Cold cut, we have a saucisson de Lyon. Here we have a dry sausage. Dry sausage is that one.
Yes.
Small campagnard sausage. After we have a Bayonne ham. Bayonne ham is the big one here. The south of France. Here it's Copa, and after we have our homemade pâté croûte, the classic pâté croûte. After we have one pâté de campagne, and the last one is pork rillette. We have some jam, some honey. We do honey with thyme. You can see there is a red onion, yellow onion, some turnip. I will start with the cheese. We have a rich cheese truffé. Yes, from the breed from Meaux. All of that, it will clean the mouth in between each bite of cold cut. We mix some traditional pickles with Thai ingredients, like this one is
Butterfly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There is no color, it's all natural. Different, huh?
Yeah.
The
Salty and sweet and have a smell.
Yeah, that's perfect combination. Is it a part of your habit to have some cheese and cold cut at home, or?
Not really. Yeah, but for me, I prefer cold cut with pickle.
Okay. And what kind of cold cut? What is your favorite cold cut?
I like dry sausage.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, this is good.
Yes.
This is very good.
Yeah, but remoulade with honey is good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is
New
great.
experience.
You see?